Case IH Magnum, New Holland T8, T4A tractors, 2011 through 2014. And in 2014, some of the super late ones had the change already to T4B, so tractor serial number and speed transmission and range transmission serial numbers are important for fitment. So this is a 19-speed transmission. This is the first full one that we've gotten back. We had done the speed and the range, but we really wanted to do something that was a little bit more complete. And what C&H has done, if you were to buy a reman from C&H, you would have to buy the T4B series, which has a different MFWD drive shaft that's larger, and so the housings won't work. So the way they sell it, they do sell it individually, as in the speed section and the range section. Then you have to buy the updated MFWD shaft. It's a $55,000 option. And it does have a larger spline on the MFWD clutch, but unless you've had MFWD clutch and park brake. So unless you've had problems there, we just don't see the benefit in having to do that upgrade. And not that many people are probably going to spend that type of money on a 2011 model tractor. So here, this is mocked up. It was fully bagged. I pulled some tape off of it, put some caps on. We're going to get some masking covers to cover up some of these pump drives on it. We don't want to include the pumps because you never know what your customer has. We need a masking cover here. We need a masking cover here. It does have the control valves were completely disassembled, cleaned, reassembled, and they do have new solenoids. Probably the next round we'll probably have the MFWD clutch on it. It's just going to help us keep them sealed up, and no moisture, no potential quote flash rust or anything. So the transmission serial number and the range serial number. Range serial number is usually right in here where the cast number is. This transmission did come out of a tractor with a cab fire. Obviously it had some fire on it. It's been stripped completely down to a bare housing, cleaned. Shafts were all completely stripped down. It's got all new clutch plates, all new bearings, seals, gaskets, if there's gaskets, whatever, O-rings, control valves, disassembled, reassembled. So this will be our first one that we sell a lot of used ones like this, but we haven't had a rebuilt one. So if there's something that we've missed, we'd love to hear about it. And if we could help you out, let us know.